अंदाज़े बयां गर्चे मेरा शौक नहीं है, अंदाज़े बयां गर्चे मेरा शौक नहीं है, शायद कि तेरे दिल में उतर जाए मेरी बात। Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Sumayya Ghafoor and I'm here at Regional Education Extension Center for the training which is offered by Government of Sindh for non-BEd teachers. First of all, I would like to thank our Chief Minister Murad Ali Shah, our Education Minister Sardar Ali Shah, the Secretary of Education Akbar Lagari Sahab, the Executive Director of STADA Mr. Harun Lagari for providing us this platform where the teachers nourishes their skills and upgrade their capabilities under the supervision of great trainers. Moreover, I would like to thank our center in charge, Madam Nigat Aziz, for her selfless dedication and motivation towards each student of every batch. Our trainers, our master trainers basically, Sir Shabir, Madam Uruj Sultana, Sir Mohsin, for their selfless efforts and guidance towards each student of every batch. Now something about the training. The induction training has been divided into 4 main themes. Each theme comprises of 6 days and the total duration of a whole induction training is of 24 days. In the first theme, we have discussed the teaching methodologies, teaching philosophies and the better understanding of our students. First of all, we introduce ourselves through spiderweb activity. In this activity, we have learned how to connect the dots among each other as a social learner. From Gibbs model, we have learned the best reflective practices of a student. Alhamdulillah, from this training, I can able to differentiate between active and the passive learner. Through this training, we have also learned how to make teacher's portfolio, which is indeed the most basic and the important part in teacher's life. We have also learned different methodologies, techniques and tools to upgrade ourselves so that we upgrade our students. I am glad, indeed blessed, because through these sessions, I can able to understand the National Curriculum Framework. I have able to learn the different techniques and tools which I have never learned earlier. From Bloom Taxonomy, I have learned to construct a test for the better understanding and the marking scheme so easily and accurately. Now to conclude, teachers are the nation builders. I would like to thank again the Sindh government for taking this great step and initiative towards the nourishment of the teachers to enhance their capabilities so that they can learn more effectively, accurately and deliver their lesson. I, Sumayya Ghafoor, signing off and going to take my class with the dedication, motivation and the learning which I have gained from these training sessions. Again, thank you so much all our ministers, Education Minister, the STADA executive for their selfless contribution towards the enhancement of education in Sindh sector. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.